everyone. My name is Jeanette Doria and I am Mrs. Maria Clara Hias ng Visayas 2024. A couple of weeks ago, we did have the Mrs. Maria Clara Ball 2025, which is the Mrs. Maria Claras are passing the torch to the newest Mrs. Maria Clara. So I did the invocation for the entire event, and at the same time, I gave the sash to Miss Anne Lynn Whitaker, which is Mrs. Maria Clara Film American. So anyway, I have been egging to sing Tito Rolly this very special song, which is a folk song in the Philippines. But I really didn't get the chance. Last year, I've been practicing, but because of, everybody was busy, everybody was just like running around and in a hurry, I did not get the chance to sing this very special song to Tito Rolly. As you can see, that Tito Rolly is our choreographer for the Mrs. Maria Clara Ball last year and this year. So he has to teach us a very special dance moves, which is honestly, it's very hard to do. He's a choreographer for the Mrs. Maria Claras, and it takes a lot of coordination. It takes a lot of collaborations for the practices. And Tito Rolly is one of the most patient. Would never get mad at us. Would just like teach us. And with me having two left feet, really, it takes a lot of effort for me to learn the dance move. I'd rather sing. So anyway, as a token of my appreciation, I would like to sing this very special song for my Tito Rolly. Thank you so much for the kindness, the love, and the effort that you have provided for all of us Maria Claras. So anyway, Tito Rolly, this song is especially just for you. I hope you like it. Forgive my voice. I'm not really a singer, but I do love to give you this very special song because you're very special to me, and thank you for the love, and I appreciate everything that you have provided for us, all of us, Mrs. Maria Clara. Thank you so much. So Tito Rolly, this song is for you.
Kata-katakang mahibang ang katulad ko sa iyo. Biro-biro ang simula, ang wakas pala ay ano. Ayaw-ayaw nga ako, ngunit yan ay di totoo. Dahil sa iyo, puso kong ito'y binihag mo. Alala ka, maging gabi't araw. Alipinin mo'y walang kailangan. Marinig ko lang sa labi mo hirang na ako'y iibigin lagi habang buhay. Kata-katakang mahibang ang katulad ko sa iyo. Biro-biro ang simula, ang wakas pala ay ano. Ayaw-ayaw nga ako, ngunit yan ay di totoo. Dahil sa iyo, puso kong ito'y binihag mo. Alala ka, maging gabi't araw. Alipinin mo'y walang kailangan. Marinig ko lang sa labi mo hirang na ako'y ibigin lagi habang buhay. Ole!
Thank you, Tito Rolly. I hope you like the song. I've been practicing this since last year, and I got the chance to record and sing you this song with love. This is Jeanette Doria, Mrs. Maria Clara, 2024, Hias ng Visayas. Have a good evening, guys, and thank you very much for supporting our Mrs. Maria Claras here and there and now and the future. Thank you so much, and God bless.